Ready to level up your crypto trading with advanced features and better rates? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Crypto.com exchange platform for professional-grade trading with enhanced control over your transactions. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Crypto.com exchange is a separate platform from their main app, designed for serious traders who want more sophisticated tools and lower fees. Let me show you how to get started. First, you'll need to create an exchange account even if you already have the main Crypto.com app. Download the Crypto.com exchange app or visit their website. Then link your existing Crypto.com account using the same login credentials. Once logged in, you'll need to transfer funds from your main Crypto.com app wallet to your exchange account. Navigate to the Transfer section and move the cryptocurrencies you want to trade. This internal transfer is instant and fee-free. Familiarize yourself with the trading interface. You'll see advanced charts, order books, and different trading pairs. Start with the basic spot trading section where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly against each other or with stablecoins. Place your first trade by selecting your trading pair, choosing between market orders, instant execution at current price, or limit orders. Set your desired price. For beginners, I recommend starting with limit orders to maintain control over your entry price. A crucial pro tip: the exchange offers significantly lower trading fees compared to the main app, typically 0.04% for makers and 0.1% for takers. You can reduce these fees further by holding CRO tokens in your exchange account. And just like that, you've unlocked professional trading tools with better rates and more control over your crypto transactions. The exchange platform takes your trading to the next level. If this guide helped you access advanced trading features, please give it a like. Which trading feature are you most excited to try on the exchange? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For our final tutorial in this series, subscribe for our guide on how to convert crypto to fiat on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.